Osaka is Japan's third largest city, located in the Kansai region on the island of Honshu. Known as the Kitchen of Japan, Osaka is famous for its delicious street food like takoyaki, octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, savory pancakes. Landmarks like Osaka Castle and Shitanoji Temple. Osaka is also home to Universal Studios Japan, a popular attraction for families and tourists. Locals are known for their warm, friendly nature and a great sense of humour. Hit that like and relax, enjoy Osaka City. Osaka Castle, Dabanchen Osakajo, is one of the most famous landmarks in Japan and a symbol of Osaka's rich history. It was originally built in 1583 by the warlord Toyotomi Hideyoshi, a powerful figure who aimed to unify all of Japan during the Sengoku Warring States period. The castle is surrounded by wide open spaces filled with trees, gardens, and seasonal flowers. In spring, the park becomes one of Japan's most famous spots for cherry blossom viewing, hanami, when over 3,000 sakura trees bloom beautifully. In autumn, the leaves turn gold and red, offering a completely different but equally stunning atmosphere. Around the castle is a deep stone-lined moat filled with water, where you can often spot ducks, fish and turtles. While you're standing in front of a 16th century castle, you can also see the Osaka skyline in the background. It feels like a calm island of history in the middle of a busy city. Dotonbori, Daodonku, is one of Osaka's most famous entertainment and street food districts, located along the Dotonbori Canal in the Namba area. It's often called the heart of Osaka nightlife and is known for its bright neon lights, animated billboards, delicious local food, and energetic street vibe. Dotonbori is a place where traditional Osaka charm meets modern city energy. The atmosphere is loud, fun, colourful, and full of life, especially in the evening when everything lights up. Music plays from restaurants, people are chatting, and street food stalls fill the air with delicious smells. It's busiest in the evening, but always buzzing with locals, tourists, and performers. Things to do in Dotonbori. Try Osaka's famous street food. Dotonbori is a food lover's paradise. Must-try items include takoyaki, octopus balls, okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers, ramen, crab, gyoza, and more. Ride a Dotonbori River cruise hop on a small sightseeing boat and see the lights of Osaka from the canal. It's a short but fun experience, especially at night. See a kabuki or comedy show, catch a traditional performance at Shochikusa Theatre, or check out Osaka's famous manzai comedy at a local theatre. Shitanoji Temple, Sitianwangsi, is one of Japan's oldest Buddhist temples, founded in 593 AD by Prince Shotoku, who played a key role in bringing Buddhism to Japan. Though the buildings have been rebuilt over time due to fires, the temple still follows the original 6th century layout, making it a historically sacred site. The moment you enter Shitanoji Temple, the atmosphere becomes calm, quiet, and deeply spiritual. Surrounded by modern Osaka City, the temple grounds feel like a peaceful escape from the noise and speed of urban life. The complex is spacious, open, and clean, with stone paths, grassy areas, ponds, and classic temple gates. The Osaka Museum of History, Osaka Rekishi Hakabutsukan, is a modern and interactive museum that tells the story of Osaka's rich past, from ancient times to the present day. It is located right next to Osaka Castle and offers a fantastic combination of culture, history, and stunning views, all within a sleek, glass-covered building. The environment of the museum is clean, quiet, and very well organized. The building itself is modern and stylish, featuring glass walls, open spaces, and spacious exhibition halls. Inside, each floor represents a different historical period of Osaka, and as you ascend, you journey through time. The National Museum of Art, Osaka, is a contemporary and modern art museum located on Nakanoshima Island, a cultural area in central Osaka. Uniquely built underground, it features rotating exhibitions of Japanese and international art, with a focus on post-war and modern works. The museum is known not only for its collections, but also for its futuristic architecture, making it a must-visit for both art lovers and design enthusiasts. Sumiyoshi Taisha, Ju-ji-dashe is one of Japan's oldest and most important Shinto shrines, founded in the 3rd century, long before Buddhism arrived in Japan. It is dedicated to the Sumiyoshi Sanjin, 3 gods who protect travelers, sailors, and fishermen. Universal Studios Japan, a world-famous theme park located in Osaka's Konohana Ward. Opened in 2001, it brings Hollywood movies, anime, and global pop culture to life with thrilling rides, immersive worlds, live shows, and beloved characters. Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan is one of the largest and most spectacular aquariums in the world, located in the Tempozan Harbor Village near Osaka Bay. It's famous for its massive central tank, immersive layout, and diverse marine life from around the Pacific Rim. Visitors of all ages love it for its relaxing, educational, and magical experience. The environment at Kaiyukan is calm, cool, and beautifully designed to mimic natural marine ecosystems. The aquarium is housed in a futuristic glass and steel building that stands out at the bay's edge. The Tempozan Ferris wheel is one of the largest Ferris wheels in the world, standing 112.5 meters high and 100 meters in diameter. Located in the Tempozan Harbor Village, next to the Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan, it offers breathtaking 360 views of Osaka Bay and the surrounding city.